Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add logo on your Godaddy website. First, log into your account. Once in, on the top right, click on your name and go to your product section. Now, you'll see different lists of your website, so select the one that you want to work with. After that, on the left side panel, go to your website dashboard. Here, under your website name, you'll have the option to add a logo, so click on it. Now, you can create a custom one or upload your made one. For here, we will create first a logo. Now, you can choose from these templates. So select one based on your website. Then, you can go ahead and customize it to your liking. Once done, click on continue on the top right. And there you have it. Your logo is now set and ready, so you can now continue to your dashboard. And there you have it. You now have a logo to your website. But if you want to change it, you can just simply click on this logo to change it. Then, if you want to upload your own one, just go ahead and click on the upload button. Select your logo from your device. And once ready, you can now go and continue to your dashboard. And as you can see, your logo is now changed. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a logo to your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.